Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about why you want to get publicity. You want publicity for SEO, search engine optimization. So when you get publicity on a high-ranking site or a television program that's broadcast and they put those links back to you, it makes you more searchable and it makes you more credible with Google. So when somebody types your name in, those are the things that are going to rise to the top. I call it riding the media's coattails. So if you're an entrepreneur or Forbes or something that's really high ranking, CNN, Fox, that's what's going to happen is when somebody just puts your name into Google, those are what's going to come up. And guess how credible that makes you look when your name is there and that you're affiliated and associated with those media outlets. So that is the reason that you want to get publicity, just for that searchability factor and the SEO. So that is this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you would like to learn how to do more, please join our no-cost PR challenge. It's at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days. It's about 10 minutes a day. I don't even think it's 10 minutes. But I go through step by step on everything that you need to do to position yourself as the expert and then to start getting media coverage. So I will see you in the challenge and then I'll see you in the media.